Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 8th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 8, and the name of the chapter is comparing quantities. So as you know that we are proceeding the exercise 8.3 and we have completed up to question number 10. So today we will discuss question number 11. We will start with question number 11. And as I told you previously that whenever you are watching the video, you should have your textbooks with you, so that you can also get the information given in the question. And first of all we will read the question number 11. In a laboratory, the count of bacteria in a certain experiment was increasing at the rate of 2.5 per hour. Find the bacteria at the end of 2 hours if the count was initially 5,000, 5 lakhs 6,000. So number of bacteria in the starting, number of bacteria in the starting, that is 5 lakh and 6,000. Afterwards, during that experiment, the count of bacteria was increasing at the rate of increasing rate. Increasing rate is 2.5% per hour, not per annum, that is per hour, and we are supposed to find the number of bacteria at the end of 2 hours. So how much time is given for us? Time given is 2 hours. So number of bacteria after 2 hours, that will be the same formula we are supposed to apply here, that is for the amount that will be. So in place of the principal, here we are having the number of bacteria initially, means 5 lakh 6,000, then bracket, then 1 plus rate. What is the rate? 2.5 upon 100 and raised to power n. N is the time, here time is 2. So for that we can write like this: 5 lakh 6,000, and we can replace the decimal by putting extra 0 downwards, so that we can cancel out 25 1 25, 25 4 100, 40, 40 1 40, 40 plus 1 41. So that will be like this, into 41 into 41 upon 40 into 40, and from here we can cancel out 2 zeros, then we can cancel out by 4, 4 1 4, so 1 is remaining, 4 2 8, 2 is remaining, 4 6 24, 2 is remaining, 4 5 20. so that will be the calculation. You are supposed to proceed, and at last you will get 5,31,616, 5,31,616.25, that is approximately this will be the count of the bacteria at the end of 2 hours. So like this you are supposed to proceed. Now after this, that question number 11, we will discuss the question number 12. First of all, we should read the question. a scooter was bought at 42,000. So the cost of scooter is equals to, that cost was given, that is 42,000, and then after that its value depreciated. Depreciated means the value is decreasing. If we are supposed to purchase a new property or a new anything new, that their value decreases as the time passes away. So that depreciation is given. Rate of depreciation is 8% per annum. Rate of depreciation is 8% per annum. Find its value after 1 year. The time is 1 year. So the depreciation, first of all we are supposed to find the depreciation. Depreciation we can find out. Suppose this is the PRT upon 100, that is 42,000 into 8 into 1 upon 100, and 20 cancel out, 20, and we are supposed to multiply. 80 is 0, 8 2 is 16, 6 1, 8 4 32 plus 1 33. So the depreciation is 3,360. So but we are not supposed to find the depreciation, we are supposed to find its value after 1 year. The value of a scooter after 1 year, initially its value was 42,000. The depreciation is there. How much depreciation is there? 3,360. So that is the depreciated, means decreased. So that we are supposed to subtract 0, that is 4, that is 6, 11 minus 3, that is 8, and that is 3. So 38,640 will be the value of that scooter after 1 year if the rate of depreciation is 8%, means its value decreased by 3,360. So like this we are supposed to proceed the questions given in this chapter. Now this was the question number 12, and this was the last question of this chapter as well as this exercise. So now what you have to do, you are supposed to go through all the questions given in this chapter, in all the exercises. You are supposed to repeat all the questions, and if you are facing any kind of doubt or if you are having any problems, then you can message us or you can even call us. We will try to rectify your doubt so that you can easily proceed the questions given in this chapter. At the same time, you are supposed to go through the examples also as same of this question number 12. One example is there, that is example number 15, in which that is given that a TV was bought at the rate of 21,000, and after 1 year its value was depreciated by 5%. Find its value after 1 year. The same thing is given here. The rate of depreciation is different. In this question number 12, the rate of depreciation was 8%, and in this example, that is example number 15, the rate of depreciation is 5% only. First of all, we are supposed to find out, we have to calculate the depreciation, how much depreciation is there, and at last to find the value, we are supposed to subtract that depreciation from its cost. So you can try that example also. At the same time, you are supposed to try each and every example given in this chapter, and after completing the work, you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number, so that we can also maintain the record of the name of the students who are completing their work on the daily basis And afterwards, if we are not getting any of the doubts from your side, we will start the new chapter in the new video. Thank you very much.